you?
Fine, thank you.
Welcome to our village and welcome to our factory, and I will give you idea about working here and what we have here, because we have here many kind of stone: alabaster, batter, granite. Now I will talk to you about alabaster. Alabaster is 3 different color. First color
White,
second color
brown,
third
green.
white, brown, green. We bring the alabaster stone from the mountain, big block like that one, and the artist here work by special hammer to round the shape of vase, ball, ashtray,
statue,
thank you,
love you.
I love you too. For example, you round the shape like that one is the form of bar, that one's heavy. When he finish make that forma, he wrap it by layering Lexi animal glue, and after that he make a hole inside. How he make hole? He make a hole like ancient Egyptian people exactly. Same technique. How? He make like that one. Hello? Bravo. When he finish, he make that hole. He polish it by fire to make design after to become lighter. After that, he cover the part by wax to make natural color appear and close the pores and to become more smooth. This one you can use it for a light, for a candle. Look here, lamba. Okay?
Wow! Oh my God!
Excuse me. With together, we say big wow, I'll make big discount for you inside, okay? Yalla, one more time.
Wow! Oh my goodness!
Okay, this is the part of alabaster handmade, and we have here alabaster machine made. That one very light, that one heavy. Okay? Okay? We have here other stone. This is basalt stone you saw in a tomb or a temple and a market. Hello, 10 pound, 100 pound, 50 pound. That one, gypsum, painted color. That you can buy for your mother look. And we have here original one, not the black, real one, gray. And we have here, this is the granite. This is the very hard stone. We bring the raw material from us one. This is good for women. Why? Because if your husband has a problem with you, hate her. Okay? And we have here crazy
Picasso!
Crazy Picasso, he make a limestone like a tomb or a temple. And we have here Mr. Mr. Loba, he sometimes he make a cat, dog, camel, parrot, elephant. Thank you for listening.